Hi, my name is Josh and welcome to Photo Tips in 3 minutes. In this video, I'm going to show you how I shoot small products on a white background straight out of camera. Links to everything I used are in the description. First, I set up my background, which is white foam core held up by an A-clamp. Then I place my product on a piece of glass, which is suspended by clamps on light stands. Notice the distance from the background. Separation is probably the most important thing when it comes to a clean white background out of camera. If the product is too close, the light can't get behind and will spill onto the product. If you have separation but the background light is too powerful, you'll have too much light coming into the camera and kill contrast. Having the light shooting toward the camera and through a diffusion material works, just make sure the separation and power are correct. I position the camera to ensure the foam core is filling the viewfinder. I set my speed light toward the background and take a test shot. It's not bright enough, so I increase it by a stop and take another shot. This is what I want, a clean silhouette. Now I set up my key light camera right and bring in a piece of white poster board to fill in the shadows. You can see the difference on the left side of the video. This is the picture straight out of camera. I take it into Lightroom, and with some basic adjustments, the product is now on a completely white background. A quick trip through Photoshop, and now it's a catalog-ready image. I'll show you how I make the shadow in a future video. This method is not meant for high-end billboard quality photography. It works best for getting through hundreds of products on white with 1 or 2 angles. And since the background light is independent, any product that fits on the glass can quickly be shot with minor key lighting tweaks. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.